Nice job, Lynn. Find that rhythm. Deep breaths. Great rhythm, Lynn. Keep those deep breaths. Nice work, Lynn. Great pace. Come on. Drop to the shoulders. Nice work. Deep breaths. Doing great. Nice, Lynn. 3 to go. Last one. Nice work, Lynn. Great job. Good pace. Keep breathing deep. Nice, Lynn. Hands on the bar. Let's go. You've got this all day. Deep breaths. Nice. Looking strong, Lynn. Good job. Deep breath, back on it. Nice. Deep breath and pick it up. Great job. Nice. Nice work, Lynn. Come on, deep breaths, back on the bar. Last 2, pick it up, let's go. Push now, Lynn. Straight on the toes to the bar. Come on, Lynn. Push it here. Now's the time, Lynn. Push this out. You're going to get it. Let's go. Get a couple here. You got it, Lynn. Straight on it. Nice. Let's go, Lynn. Get a couple. Push now, Lynn. Let's go, Lynn. Let's go, Lynn. Get on it. Come on, Lynn. Push now. You got it, Lynn. That's it, Lynn. Come on, right on. Pick it up. Straight on it. Come on. 2 minutes 30 left. You're almost there. Let's go, Lynn. Come on. You can do this. You're looking strong, Lynn. You're looking strong. Let's go. Come on, Lynn. Push now. Let's go, Lynn. You got it. Pick it up. Pick it up. 2 minutes left. Nice work, Lynn. On the bar. Let's go. 2 minutes left.